We are on our way to New Banana Island. You know, as they be now. Okay, I'm taking the clients to go and get 4 plots of New Banana Island, and the person is driving just behind us, and I'm so excited for this person. Do you know why? Because this land, so you won't carry 1 plot is 6 million now. In the next 2 to 3 years, people go dey beg and 30 million. You know, go agree sell 1 plot of that land. That's why I'm excited for that person. It's as if na me won't buy am, as if make her buy everything. But as I don't know if you buy everything. So this land, the way people they rush am, is too much. So don't wait until you call me and then I tell you New Banana Island is now selling for 10 million naira or 15 million naira before you start struggling to buy it. So you have to call me now, and the number is 09034296519, so that you can get your own plots of New Banana Island. Not be 1 plot that they talk about. 2 plots. Okay. All right. See you soon.